Today's a really sad day for us. We're saying goodbye to our old luggage. Mexico did it in! But we're gonna have to let him go. We hiked our way down from the airport because we couldn't find an Uber and burned the wheels off both of them. I tried to find replacements, but I had to rip them out of the poor luggage, and it's just, there's no coming back. It's so sad. And the worst part is that it was one off of each suitcase that burned off. I guess that's what we get for hiking a mile on gravelly roads and not stopping when the luggage started to feel heavy.